High star. See, all over the universe, I don't see someone fine past you. Say you they give me joy like a doll, you they do me juju. Making a billions, you gonna say my money too long. Cause I they wait on you, make I know they wait for so long. Odo, yeah, odo, odo. Tree baby, odo, you, yeah, odo. Street tram, yeah, odo. Oh, yeah, make yourself comfortable. This cannot be compatible. Odo, me know you're untouchable. Sweet love impalatable. Oh, yeah, make yourself comfortable. This cannot be puntable. Odo, me know you're untouchable. Sweet love impalatable. Yeah, you get my attention. Me, I no go give you detention. You don't need to mention, girl. All I had to do is my confession. You get my attention, girl. Yeah, man. Stage just down and yano. High star. Oba ho yame fe, udin yame de. Found safi fa mitimu na mitimu yame de. Ana men sekete, shodi men seke. Men ma me pressure, men ya ho keche. Men ya show, men ma udo. My rover on the highway, here we go. Found safi fa me ho na minyama ho sepeo. Ana sa men park him bow quick no. Someone fine past you. Say you they give me joy like a doll, you they do me juju. Making a billions, you gonna say my money too long. Cause I they wait on you, make I know they wait for so long. Odo, yeah, odo. Tree baby, odo, you, yeah, odo. Street tram, yeah, odo. I call it woman in Waba. She calling me Mr. Badman. Shawty, you be too exceptional. And I do where you was a yenda. 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 Odo, yeah, odo. Tree baby, odo, you.
On the beat.
Okay.
God damn it.
Stay J.
Jason.
Tell how you doing, man?
I'm good.
It's been a while.
Yeah.
Like, not just from me, from the fans, from everyone. Do you hear that everywhere you go? Stay J, where have you been? Stay J, Stay J, when are you up in music? Stay J, what's going on?
I was off the screen for a while.
Yeah.
And I mean, adding up my pen game and writing top charting songs for people around the globe.
Oh, you were writing songs?
Yeah.
Oh, how was that? Because I'm assuming before you weren't doing that as much as you're doing now. How was that?
It wasn't easy though. You know, writing about myself is not easy. So composing a song takes a lot of time and thinking.
Yeah.
So I was working for some people around the globe.
But it seems like that's something we don't take as seriously here. Like, it's a business, you know. People write for Rihanna, people write for Beyonce.
Yeah.
You know, when they have songs, you can see 6 writers. But here it's like, we're not taking it as seriously. Why is that the case?
They take it very serious. But here, when you mention, I wrote a song for Jason, it's like Jason doesn't know how to do songs or something.
Oh.
Maybe you might have the voice, the looks and everything. You need somebody.
So it's like a stigma here.
Yes, yeah.
Do you see that changing anytime soon?
Very soon.
It might?
Yeah.
Someone should hit up Stay J, but I'm sure his rates are very high.
No, on the low.
That's why you say Stay J is so good to have you here. That aside, you know, like you said, you've been off the scenes.
Yeah.
I just want to know, like, mentally, family-wise, spiritually, everything else, how have you been, you know? Because it's one thing being on the scene in front of everybody, seeing what you're doing. It's another thing, you know, taking a break and looking at what everybody else is doing. How's that been for you? Was it a good thing, you think?
Yeah, very good. It was very good because family-wise, spiritually, everything, mentally, I've worked very hard to be here. So this time around, I ain't giving up.
Yeah, I like to hear that. that's another thing I want to talk about a little bit. It seems like this industry, right? Again, I always say we see other industries, but we experience this one more so. Artists, to some extent, are not allowed to take a break. You take a break for 6 months, a year, they say, oh, you fell off.
No.
But per what we see, Jay-Z can take 5 years to drop an album. I mean, you
Sure.
can't compare artists to Jay-Z, right?
Sure.
But here, you take 2 years, I was like, oh, he fell off. Who's the next person? Is that the fans doing, or is it the artists who just have made the fans used to that?
I think it's the mentality of Ghanaians. Nigerians don't do that. And no, Nigerians don't do that.
Okay.
Yeah, Ghanaians have some perception. If you go backstage small, they think say you fell off, but that's not the case. As I told you earlier on, it's not easy to write about myself.
Yeah.
So to compose a good song for people around the world to jam with it, it's not a small thing.
Yeah. And I'm sure some people told you that.
Sure.
Did that affect you mentally? Did
No.
Thought about, like,
It's not today that I've been here. I've been here for a decade and more. So I've been through all these stages.
Yeah, I mean, stage A, here to stay. So, I'm talking to the man himself. Guys, if there's anything you want to add, add to the conversation, add MX24JH every single platform. He has a new EP coming up. We're going to be talking about and a whole lot of other things, from the music to the features to the albums and everything else. What do you think about music in Ghana right now? Honestly speaking, back in the day, right? There wasn't social media like there is now.
Sure.
It seems like now we're spoilt. You drop a music, you can just put it anywhere.
Yes.
You can make it yourself, you can feature somebody, there's auto-tune. And I'm saying we're spoilt because I've spoken to some legends, right? And they're like, back in the day, we didn't have these avenues. You young cats have these avenues, yet these young cats are complaining that people are not buying the music. They want to be on record labels. They want to do all these things. Obviously, the climate is different, right?
Sure.
We're in a different era. Are we just spoilt, the youth right now? Are we not seeing the opportunity and the platforms we have compared to when you were doing your thing back in the day?
I think this time around, everything is more easier. But their writing seems somehow, they need more advice and more knowledge to write good songs.
Our songs are not deep. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, our songs are not deep. And we like to, focus on a lot of, like, people's songs. When I hear Jason's songs and I like something about it, I want the engineer to sample the same thing like that. But you see, as Blacko came out with a different style, right now he has people copying the style too.
Yeah.
But it's a different style. It has been there for a very long time. Maybe he took the mantle to, showcase it to the world. So these young cats need to, learn more, because nowadays their song even doesn't last long.
Yeah, that's the thing. It seems like right now the song, there's no longevity. And the reason why I'm asking this again is it the fans who are not giving the songs, like, we don't sit with the song long enough? Again, back in the day, you drop an album, people give it 3 months to properly judge it. Right now, you drop something.
I think this time around, there is no competition.
Really, now?
Yeah, there's no competition. If you do a song and there's something inside that people like, the song will be there. If somebody brings another thing and they like, they leave yours and go for the person's own. That's how the industry is now. And I think right now the streams are the more important thing for us to focus on.
Yeah.
Not even the performances or whatever.
No.
When you put your songs out there and you, put money inside and promote it well online, it's gonna go poof.
So if you had a chance to choose living in your era, so to speak, or living in this era as an artist, what would you pick?
My time.
Really?
Yeah.
With social media now, with the streams, the money coming, you still pick your time?
Yeah.
Wasn't it more difficult?
Because this time around, when I tell you to mention 10 current artists, I don't think you can do.
Oh, that's true though. Like, there's so many.
Yes.
But Sage, isn't that a good thing though? That there's so many artists, like we're spoiled again.
It's a good thing. It's a good thing, but I think they need more power. Yeah.
Do these young artists, do they reach out to you for advice on how to handle interviews, how to write lyrics, the content in the lyrics? Do they reach out to Stage A and people like R2Bs and Stoneboy and stuff?
I have some of the artists that are my friends, personal friends, that I advise them on certain things, because at our time, people didn't get the chance to advise us like this time around, and the internet wasn't so powerful like this time. And when you do a song, you know you are going to 10 stations to promote your song, and when you have a jargon or a term in the song. You know, when I put money in this song, it's going to blow. So this time around, it's not like that. So when you're doing more rap, more singing, and all those things, sometimes I just sit back and just laugh.
What do you think about rap, though?
Rap is very good.
Because you said something, more rap, more singing. Now everyone is singing. Everybody's singing.
Rap is very good, but right now, small rap, small singing. Yeah.
Is that a good thing for the rap culture?
It's very good.
It is?
How many?
Because right now people aren't dropping bars.
How many rappers did we have in Nigeria? Now they are all missing. Everybody is singing. Burna Boy was a dancehall reggae artist. He's now singing, and he's taking him places. Singing is very good. You cannot even compare, I would say, Jay-Z to Michael Jackson.
Okay.
He's dead, but still his legacy lives on.
Okay, so what if there's a young rapper watching this, right? Who again, because I had LJ here 2 days ago, and I love the fact that, you're here just after LJ came. I'm sure you've seen his stuff, and I'm sure, somebody who focuses on the pen like you're quite impressed, the fact that he's rapping. And I spoke to LJ, and he was like, the climate, right? People are singing, so he's not going to stop the rap, but he sees the need to sing.
Sure.
So for a young rapper watching this, do you think these kind of conversations, and again, the direction of music with Afro beats and dancehall, would it detract them from rapping?
No.
If somebody wants to be like Stage A?
Rap is very good. Singing is also very good. But the singing would take you far more than
That's
the
just
rap.
the fact.
Yes, that's what I would say. You can rap for Ghanaians to accept you here, for 1 or 2 Ghanaians abroad to accept you, but the singing would cut across. Yeah.
Which artists, young artists, are you listening to more so right now? And the answers you give will make some artists very happy and some not very happy. Who does Stage A listen to? Like young cats, let's say
here in Ghana.
Yeah, here in Ghana. Let's say past 2-3 years.
Usually, I won't say here in Ghana, but abroad, I listen to only 3 people.
3 people?
Yes, I listen to Ed Sheeran, I listen to Justin Bieber, and I listen to Chris Brown.
No Ghanaian artists in there?
No, I would say this place, I listen to more of Kwame Yuji.
Okay, Kwame Yuji. Okay, that's good.
Black Sherif.
Black Sherif, that's good.
And King Promise.
King Promise.
Yeah.
Now that's very good. But the thing is, we're not seeing as many young Ghanaian artists on the level, right? Because you giving an answer was very easy, Justin Bieber, Ed Sheeran. But it's like Stage A took time, like King Promise, like
no. You see, when you
like what is the youth state? Per what you've seen, because I love that also you're out there, you see the industry. What is the youth not doing right? If you could pinpoint 2-3 things, is it our brand? Is it our images? What are we not doing right?
I don't know. It's social media. Social media is something else. Yeah.
Everybody wants to just blow.
Yeah.
And that's a problem. Wow. It's incredible to see. And I love the way you said, you take that era over this era, because I'm sure a lot of artists from that era are definitely going to agree with you. What have you done right that has kept you on this path, up till now? Because it's incredible to see that you can actually take a break, come back, and we're seeing the response again for your music on social media.
Sure.
Like, that's crazy. Like, you're getting a huge response.
Yeah.
Not a lot of artists can do this. What's Stage A doing differently?
I've just built a great team that is doing my social media stuff for me. And so I think that's the reason. And also the song that I brought out is not just any cheap song. It's a very good song.
Tell us about this song. Let's talk about this song.
The song is titled Odo.
Why? The way you said it's not a cheap song, there are too many cheap songs out there, right?
Yeah.
Stage A is just telling us the truth. But yeah, tell us about Odo. Is it based on a true story?
Odo leaves the world. There is nothing that we do without love. And I think the Bible even preaches about love. And there is this supernatural love you find in somebody.
Stage A, are you in love?
I'm very in love.
Oh man, I need this guy to show me the way forward, man, so I can also fall in love. So that's the inspiration behind the song.
Not really, but love leads. So at the end of the day,
definitely. I mean, your fans love you.
Yeah,
right?
when we sing about love, I think it's gonna go.
Why this song now, though? Because I'm sure you have a lot of songs.
I think there is Afrobeat now. I would say Afrobeat is a little bit of high life with some spices. And Amapiano too is a little bit of Azonto with spices. So if people are jamming to Amapiano and Afrobeat, I also have to, fit in and give them.
Add
so
to it, right?
Mine is a little bit of
Afrobeat and I'm a piano, so I call it Afro piano.
Wow. Now we have an Afro piano song. Guys,
Yeah.
we have the audio from Stage A himself. When we get back, the new EP that's coming, his plans, you know, leading up until the end of the year. I'm so happy I'm having this conversation. And more so the things that I'm asking him myself personally, I want to learn. I'm not even going to lie about that. So enjoy this. We'll be right back.
All over the universe, and I see someone find past you. Say they give me joy, like a doll, they do me juju. Making the billions, you could say my money too long. Cause I they wait on you, make I know they wait for so long. Order, yeah, order, tree baby, order, yeah, order, switch, yeah, order. Oh, you make yourself comfortable. This kind of love is compatible. Although me know where you're untouchable. Sweet love and palatable. Oh, you make yourself comfortable. This kind of love is compatible. Although me know where you're untouchable. Sweet love and palatable. Yeah, yeah. You get my attention, girl. Yeah, no go give you detention. You don't need to mention, girl. All I'm doing is my confession. You getting my attention, girl.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, no go give you.
Stage A, you were in the zone on this one. You know, with the melodies and the vibes. Okay, I'm getting it. You featured a Nigerian.
Yeah.
Tell us about him. Why him for this song?
He's been a friend for about 5 years now.
Oh, nice.
And I like his compositions and everything. And he listens too. He takes advice and stuff from me. So
Do we take advice? I see.
some of the Ghanaians?
Yeah, the Ghanaians generally.
No, not really.
Stay, looks like we have a lot we're not doing right.
Yeah.
Do you see us, right? Because comparatively, let's be honest, the Nigerian market is trailblazing.
Sure.
Look at what South Africans are doing. Even sister nations like Kenya, they have so many incredible things they're doing. Do you see Ghanaians, the Ghanaian creative space, not just the artists, right, the industry as a whole, from the award shows and all these little things, are we going to catch up anytime soon, or are we far behind?
We are at the back of Nigerians. We are moving with them.
That's good.
Yes, very good.
Will we catch up anytime soon?
We are with them. We've been with them from day one, and we are with them.
Oh man, hopefully
Yeah.
we get some Grammys coming in soon.
Sure.
That would be nice, you know,
Sure,
for
sure,
the industry.
sure.
Do you hear our music outside Ghana as well?
Yes.
Which country are you in mostly outside Ghana?
UK, Europe,
Okay. Europe. Do you hear our music?
sure.
Which artists do you hear the most?
Kim Promise,
Oh,
yeah.
he performed with Wizkid not too long ago. That was big, right?
Kim Promise, Kiddy.
Kitty. Oh yeah, that's good.
And now Olive the Boy.
Okay, yeah, he's got some good music
Yeah.
out there. How proud are you of artists like Sarkodie and R2B's, obviously being from Stonebwoy,
Yeah.
even Samini doing it
Yes.
for years. Even we saw Captain Planet had a super hit song not too long ago.
Sure.
These cats, like, they really seem like they're part of this generation with the way they look, the music they're making. How proud are you of them, man?
I'm very proud of them, 100%, because they understand what is going on, and their pen game is not easy. I just listened to Stonebwoy featuring Bob Marley, and it was crazy.
Yeah.
He delivered. Charlie, my guys are doing very good.
They are.
I'm very proud of them.
What advice would you give the youth? Because, again, like I said, I'm asking these questions mostly because I need this advice. I want to take some stuff in. And it's good to hear, you know, generations understand certain things. What advice would you give the young creators, the young artists coming up?
They should do a lot of researches and also ask the senior men what they didn't do good or what they are doing good to keep their name here, and also learn more.
When you see Stage A in the street, stopping them, asking questions. That's what he's saying. Is Order on all platforms?
Yeah.
Okay, so we can find it. We can buy
All
it everywhere.
musical platforms.
And you have a project coming up.
Yeah.
Please tell us about this.
I have the High Star EP.
High Star, okay.
Yeah, coming up. I've featured Yapono on it.
Oh,
I have
Yapono.
Amrado is on it. I have Kosisi, the Nigerian, I featured, and I have Benel.
Okay.
Yeah, Benel.
Okay, how many songs?
6 songs.
6 songs.
And after the EP, my album too is coming.
This guy, all this year.
Yeah,
When is the EP dropping?
soon.
soon, and the album's dropping next year.
Yeah.
Are we going to see more of you this December? Because you know, when we said you were coming today, right? The fans were like, "Where's Stage? I want to see him on stages performing."
People have even started calling promoters abroad, not here in Ghana.
Oh.
Because Tati will be a big cry.
Okay, Stage, I am inside. I'm following everywhere I go. Please, is there anything you want to add? You know, anything you want to tell your fans?
I would tell everybody to, help support and promote Ghana music to the top. We're doing very amazing, and also they should, promote my song, Odo.
Yeah, definitely.
They should do videos with it and tag me on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, everywhere. I'll post it back.
Nice one. Please find him, support him, promote him. Is the official video for Dog gonna come in time?
Yeah, it's going to come soon.
Okay, this guy is up to a lot. Like he said, being inside and out of Ghana. We hope you're here more now because, like I said, your fans miss you. Shout out to you and everything you do in your family. Please find Stage again. His new music is like he said, he has an EP coming out, an album coming out. You're going to see more of December. That's a promise he's given me, and I know he doesn't break his promises. Right? He doesn't break his promises. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you for having me.
It's been a blessing talking to you.
God bless you.
Guys, so once again, find his music everywhere. I have to leave you. We're starting off with Odo here on MX24GH Mxlive. I'm going to see you soon. Salute.
All over the universe, and I see someone find past you. Say they give me joy like a doll, they do me juju. Making the billions, you can say my money.